Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to do this rainbow, or any loom pretty much, bracelet. This is what you start it. This is what it's going to be. Okay, so I'm going to start by placing a band from one side to another, and then from the other side to another. And then I'm going to start with my one color, which is going to be black. I'm going to place it up. And then I'm going to place the pink color up, like so. Push it down because you always want to push it down. And then you're going to pretty much repeat this again. So you're going to take a colored and then place another one on this side.
No, tomorrow.
Like that.
You need a haircut.
And then you're going to place your base color again, which is black, and place the pink, another base color. And you're going to repeat this again. And then place the black, and then the pink.
Let me check your tongue.
Repeat this 8 more times. Black, pink. Well, not 8, just till the end of 2 of these. Hopefully you guys can see this.
I just need some medicine. That's what I need.
You just need an antibiotic. An antibiotic would be the medicine for your sore throat.
Somebody called you today?
No, nobody called, but stupid Maurice is in. That's it. Alright, who are you waiting on a call from? Kaylee?
No.
Trent's lover?
Still.
Oh my.
Why is this still playing? I already know how to do it. Why is this still playing? Okay, keep repeating this. I should probably fast forward this video. Do this one more time. One purple. Oops. Another purple. Black. And then pink. Okay. So now that we're here, first you're going to place in, take off that first, you're going to, oh my goodness, there's like 2 being stuck there. Okay, place inward, and then, well actually, you can do either side first, but I prefer you to do this side first, and then this side, and then do the double rubber bands. Black first, oops, and then pink. Okay, now I'm going to take a purple rubber band and make it a capping band. Okay, now it's time to hook. Okay, so first you're going to push back that capping band and grab the first one, which was pink, and bring it forward. Bring the next one forward, like so. And then come back and do this rubber band, and then this one. Come back over here, place this one up, and then place this one up. Okay, now you're going to take the top rubber band and place it over to the left, the bottom rubber band, place it over to the right. Like so. Bring both of the base colored rubber bands forward and repeat this again. My pink one is going to the left. My black one is going to the right. Go under, back, pull them back, do the base color forward. Repeat this until you get to the end of your room. Again, bring it forward, and then bring it forward again. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Window is half broken out, smashed. He'll have to go get a shower and sit in the toilet.
Yeah.
And whoever it was took a screwdriver and tried getting underneath the rubber. And if you break that little window, then you could reach through and get the handle of the truck. But they broke that. So now he's dealing with costs and everything else.
Good boy. Good. Well, Lester's just gonna
He's having a stroke. Well,
make him pay for it.
no, Lester's can't make him pay for it. He has a police report. It ain't his fault. He's parked in the legal area. What's your haircut, sweetie? No, be quiet. Actually, be really good. How late is the doctor until today? Oh, you are? I want to see. My son came home with a sore throat. I'm kind of running a slight fever. And I want to see if I can get him in urgent care. Okay. All right, thank you. Bye.
Give him
He needs
some,
an antibiotic.
give him my amoxicillin.
I thought you wanted that, hon. I tried to snip that with the scissors, and then when I tried to snip it, it pulled the front. Oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. Wasn't even funny. That's gonna die. Are you sure? No, those are mine. For sure.
Feeding my amoxicillin is supposed to take every day.
What, you're gonna be 2 right now? Right away? Yeah. Like Zithromax, so you can go ahead.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Why are you cooking in the dark? You got the blind open?
No, you can turn my main.
Okay. did a good job. You got it faded in good around the side.
It's a little choppy, but.
And then you're supposed to bring in the middle, so just bring in the middle.
It's not too poodle pop. Looks good.
I figured I wouldn't bother you while you're in there.
Okay.
I'll get your neck
Bring your
later.
hook
Your shower.
through all the rubber bands, and then I'm going to take a grease color, which is purple.
You want to tighten it?
No, wait, I'm not even going to do that yet. I'm going to add extra to it, so I'm just going to take it off the loom. Use your fingers if you need to. It should come straight off.
I'm going to put some new piece of nail in here. Got it.
Woo.
I got a good idea.
Come.
Right, huh?
And now to put extra, you're going to place a rubber band on
Huh?
and place it. Ah. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay then. Well, that didn't work out good.
Would you like me to help you?
Just a little preliminary setup here in the pan, so it's ready to be baked.
What's your name? Call me 3 times.
Who?
Call her. Find out what the heck it was. Austin.
What do I think for my head?
This is amoxicillin.
I need a headache.
Okay,
I have.
I'm gonna do it on my fingers, but you're just going to slide through like so, and then place that one rubber band. You freaking kidding me? Ah.
You're welcome. Austin has a severe headache and he's got a sore throat.
So, said my amoxicillin will help him out.
Yeah, it will. You tell my baby's not
Place bands through
Considering they said my white count wasn't up and stuff,
like so.
seems like I don't need it. And my lumps went down,
Oops.
so.
Oh my god, that baby looks like Bella.
What?
She's not cute
Let me
at
see.
all.
Let me see. Oh my goodness.
What are you going to do?
Evan, this is your baby.
And then you're going to take S or C clip
Evan's face.
Little ugly
Give
ginger.
and place it through like so. And then on that capping band, you place it
Somewhere else.
through like that. Okay, and there's your bracelet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.